Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to turn off iPhone 17. So let's begin our video. So first of all, there have two methods you can follow for turn off your iPhone 17. So first method, just swipe down and you can see there have a icon. You can see on the top right corner there have a simple power icon. Just long press it, and right now you can see there have an option for power off. Just select this button and you can turn off your iPhone. So right now I'm going to show you the second method. That is, you just need to long press at the same time volume up as well as power button. So here you can see I just long press at the same time volume up and power button together. Then you can see there have an option for slide to power off. Just slide it and you can turn off. So this is the way for turn off your iPhone 17. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.